Okay, it is time to unbox my most recent Butterfly Lane Designs subscription box. So, here we go. Maybe. This actually came a day early. I'm so excited. Yes. Yay. It is just what I was hoping for. Oh, this is our gift. How cute. A little miniaturized care instructions. Always handy to have because, you know, I've been printing my own and I am actually just about out of my own, so good timing on that. Diamonds and Roses glitter from Glitter and Pixie Dust. It's a Christmas box. Let's see. Oh, and a little sticker. How cute. This is really pretty. And a pen from them. Always handy to have. So, let's get into the main events. Ooh, a silicone mat. That's nice. Sneak everything out. A small silicone mat, which we can always use. I'm going to set the clear kit or the decals aside for a minute. We're going to go through the small vinyls. Cute snowflakes. I love this plaid. Some green. This is actually like got vintage text printed across it. Some berries and holly. Some poinsettias. Fa la 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 la. This is super cute. This one is a clear. And this is new. Her starting to label them with her business, which is actually really helpful for me when I start going through things and can't necessarily remember where it came from. And this one is also printed on the clear. The snowflakes. This would look great over a white cup. So, what do we have in here? A big red. Oh, Little Debbie's. Love it. A big sheet of the green. A different snowflake. This one's really pretty too. Some plaid and leopard, which is everywhere, still on trend. Some plaid with gold, and a bigger version of the candy canes and peppermints. And then we have our VC decals. These should all be printed on the white, so they should show up on anything. Fa la 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 lattes. Chilling with my snowmies. Absolutely perfect to go with the vinyl. Oh, Christmas trees. Winter vibes. Old-fashioned hot cocoa served here. This will go perfect with the pink plaid. Official seal of the North Pole Santa. This is funny because I literally just printed this myself because this one I used last year. So, perfect. Now I have another one. But don't stop believing, the vintage Santa with the plaid and everything behind it. North Pole Brewing Co. Premium Christmas Spirits. Peace with a Gnomie. Just a girl who loves Christmas with a cute gnome. Walking in a winter wonderland. It's freezing season. North Pole Milk and Cookies Co. Baked Fresh Daily. 'Tis the season to sparkle. This would also be good with the trees. And another one that I almost printed for myself, but the one I found was missing the D at the bottom. It cut off here. So I'm glad she found the actual correct version of this one, because I thought it was very cute and I wanted it. And I think it'll go good with this right here. So I am very excited for this. I'm going to get some cups prepped and we're going to get right into these. It's going to be a lot of vinyl and decals, obviously, but awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This box is no longer available. She will probably have everything loaded into her site, though, if you want them. So, if you do order the next subscription box, keep in mind you cannot use a discount on it. I do have a discount code down below for everything on the website, though. So, I'm going to put that up there so you can see it. Go join the Facebook group, though. That's where she releases her monthly boxes. And by the time I air this, the next one should be available for purchase. So, but if you want to order any of these individually, go to the website through my link below. So that is it. Yay, Christmas stuff. Thank you, Jessica.